Whoa, look at that hair growing. Uh-oh, it's getting really crazy. What? Hey everyone, it's me, Kit the Explorer. Miles is helping me with my video today, like he usually does, huh Miles?
Huh?
Do you like making videos?
Mm-hmm.
It's so fun, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It is. Another thing that's a lot of fun is talking, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What's good about talking? Talking is great because we can share ideas and tell each other how we feel, but sometimes talking and saying words is really, really hard. So we have a tip for you and your parents before we start this episode. There are some speech exercises that you can do in order to say your words better. The words that you say are made out of sounds that you make with your mouth and tongue and lips. And a great way to practice strengthening your lips and making sounds is to make some funny sounds. Can we do it together?
Uh-huh.
Let's do the E and O exercise. Go
E,
O,
O,
E,
E,
O, E, O,
O,
E. That's a really good way to practice making sounds with your lips and your mouth. And guess what else you can do? Parents, if your kids know the ABCs, but they're struggling with their speech, you can help them cycle through all of the vowels with different sounds at the beginning. A great letter to start with is the first letter of your child's name. Miles's first name starts with what letter, kids? Miles, the letter M. So we say may,
me,
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 my,
my,
mo,
ma,
moo.
moo,
And you can do it with any letter, like R, Ray,
ray,
Re,
re,
Ry,
I,
Ry,
right,
Ro,
roll,
Roo.
roo.
And that's a fun way to practice sounds and get better at saying words. But today, we're not talking about letters or sounds, we're talking about messy hair. Do you have messy hair? Maybe because you just woke up and got out of bed. And sometimes your parents come and grab you and say, "Let's comb your hair, little kid." Does that ever happen to you?
No,
No? What? That doesn't happen to you?
no.
Who's taking care of you? Is anybody taking care of you at home? No? He just runs free in the woods. When your hair's messy, you can get a comb and comb it. Whoa! But sometimes that doesn't even work because your hair's so long that you have to cut it. And you want to know something? We have a fun game to show you that we got to help you understand that cutting your hair is a great thing to do because it helps you look nice and sharp. And look at what we have. A Play-Doh play set to learn about cutting hair. Should we open it up? Let's open it up. Come up here with me. Miles wanted to do green Play-Doh on the boy Play-Doh guy, huh? When our hair gets too long, we need to cut it. And that's okay because cutting your hair doesn't hurt at all. Whoa, look at that hair growing. Uh-oh, it's getting really crazy. What? We need to cut that hair. How do we do it, Miles? What's a good thing to do?
Get a brush and hair cutter.
We get the brush and the hair cutters?
Uh-huh.
Okay, well I'm gonna brush his hair up, and can you cut it for me? Here, let me get it, brush it up on the side. Can you cut that hair for me? All right. Yeah, give him a good trim. Oh, good job. Now I'm gonna brush it and give him a new hairdo.
Getting your hair cut can seem scary, but it's really not. These kids have it down. They know that their hair cutter knows what they're doing, and it's fun to get new hairstyles like this little girl's getting. And this little boy seems like he's been to the barber so many times that it just makes him sleepy. Getting a haircut is a lot of fun.
We can cut the hair right out of his face. I'm gonna cut the other side of his hair off. Getting a haircut is so much fun. And boys, when they get older, grow hair out of their face. And that needs to be shaved off, just like this. Ooh, that looks nice and sharp. Ooh, yeah, give him a nice haircut. What a good haircut you're giving him. Be careful not to cut his skin. Can you say haircut? Hair is a sound made by breathing out like this. Haircut. Can you go haircut?
Haircut.
Good job. Now can you try that at home, kids? See if you can feel your breath on your hand when you go haircut. Try it at home. Miles is doing a great job giving this guy a haircut. Let's take a look, Miles. Let's see how he looks. Whoa, that's nice and sharp, don't you think? That's pretty good. Now, what do you say we put the girl on the barber's chair and give her a crazy hairdo?
Good to me.
Sounds good to me too. All right, we're gonna get you off of the barber's chair. He's gonna go out and enjoy his day. Some of your moms might have blonde or yellow hair, or brown, which is brunette hair. Some of your moms probably have red hair too, and some of your moms might have green hair, or purple hair, or blue hair, or black hair. There's all kinds of different colors of hair. And today, we're gonna make some pink hair. Ooh, look at that Play-Doh. And here's our girl Play-Doh person. We're gonna take the Play-Doh and put it inside and sit her on the barber's chair and watch her hair grow. Here we go. Whoa, that's a great color you chose. Let's make sure it doesn't go into her eyes. Whoa, it's getting crazy. Maybe we could take this and put it back like that out of her head. And we can pull her hair back a little bit. And guess what? We've got some braids and stuff that we can make. Green would be great to go with this pink, so let's make a green braid. There's a mold for a green braid, and we'll give it a pink bow. Whoa, look at that cool braid. We can put that braid in her hair, just like that. Do you kids know what we do to take care of our hair? What do we do to take care of our hair, Miles? We wash it, and we eat healthy foods, because the food that we eat is also part of how we take care of our hair. Because in order to have nice and pretty hair, you have to be eating good food, because the food that you eat is what your body uses to make your hair. Whoa, that's a crazy hairdo for this girl. Hey kids at home, what kind of foods do you think would be good for helping your hair grow nice and strong and healthy?
Eating healthy foods doesn't just help your hair, it helps your entire body grow big and strong. Ask your parents to help you eat healthy at home. And eating healthy can be a lot of fun. This little girl and her mom and her sister are having too much fun.
What foods do you think are good for growing hair?
Apple.
Apples? Avocados?
Yeah?
Oh, hey, avocado.
Yeah, I heard my name, so I showed up.
Yeah, we were just talking about you.
Oh, really? I was good, thanks.
We were just telling the kids at home how good you are for their hair.
Very good for you, kids. Eat lots of avocados.
Well, it was good to see you, Avocado. We'll see you later.
Good seeing you too, kid.
Well, kids,
Bye.
we just wanted you to know that it's so good to get your hair cut. And it's not scary, it doesn't hurt, and when your parents say, it's time to get your hair cut, you should get excited and say, okay, Mom, or okay, Dad, and head with them to the barber shop where you can get your hair cut. And who knows, your parents might even let you watch this video next time you're getting your hair cut. And some of you might not even have to go to the barber shop because some of your parents cut your hair at home, and that's just as good as going to the barber shop. But make sure that when it's time to cut your hair, you listen to your parents, or else your hair might get too crazy, and you don't want that. Whoa, that's actually pretty cool. Green and pink hair, but it's getting really long. And you know what? There's nothing wrong with long hair either. Whatever your parents say is best for you is what you should listen to. We're so glad that you got to join us today while we played with this Play-Doh hair set, and learned all about haircuts and making sure that your hair is nice and clean and feeding your body good food so that your hair can grow out healthy and strong. And guess what? If you'd like to buy this Play-Doh playset, ask your parents, and if you buy it through the link in this description, it helps support our channel and doesn't cost you anything extra, or you can check out your local Walmart or Superstore to see if they have it in stock. It's a lot of fun, and we're sure glad that you joined us today. Aren't we, Miles?
Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching Kit Explores. My name is Kit, and we'll see you next time. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye, kids! All right, I think we should give her a good haircut. Let's just shave all the hair off. Whoa, look at that hairdo. This is fun. Here, do you want to shave the rest of her hair off? Maybe you can buzz it with the buzzers. Just buzz it off.
Bye.
Okay.